Yeah, leverage nation, so out here early, man. What's up with it? But look at this, yeah. Yeah, the boy and be one already. Bad man. Early morning thing, breakfast. Mm-hmm.
The leverage, not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage, not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage, alright.
And the Pirate 2000, it's a morning after. Yeah. So you want to leverage one. We just left back, take a little one tree, but still no morning enough. And then straight. Yeah, freedom straight. Yeah. That's soon get the review on that. But the highway here now, that's a leverage. Just make a quick stop in a Sente, country stop. Where are they? Come off by 4 man. Early soup drinking. Reach back in a place. St. Elizabeth, man. You know, I get the chicken done, eh? Countryside, all the cooking morning thing, party sound. Eh? What do you say? You know, I get it. After early drinking up, man, now. The Virginia, forgive me, because I'll just come out and not ever get to wash your face, you see it? Oh, here, before reaching sound system over there. Yeah, we're there, yeah, man. I'm going to hold a part, see me. Oh, that's a chicken done? You get some more. That's a boss. Some chicken done? Oh, you have chicken? Yeah, oh, okay, I'll get one, yeah. Alright, you know,
That's what chicken forward. Third grill. No, it's not elegante.
Yeah, man, we just do it here going easy now, man. Yeah, right. That's the money. You got the money, can't be saying. If Kartel come out there, when Kartel come out there, one hear the boy scream levitation. What? What you say? Bluff! You never come out here. What you say?
Yeah, no, I'm still on.
What you say? If that man come out tonight, so what you say?
Yeah,
Man, stop watching him, man. Yeah, leveragation, so just there I go and chill, you see me? Try to save everything and get some food to same time while we at it. Yeah. Mad fit, man. So just there vibing early, man, eh? Yeah, man, levitation. So that's where I go on, man.
You say you kill me today. You hear it? You hear it? Alright. Have you tell me? I know it's as if you're there. Are you? Yeah. The boy tell me. Say if you not kill a son, I don't have to let something wrong. No. No. Hold on. I see it. That thing on there.
Yeah, so them still do it in a countryside, rural side now. Sound, the one in King Ghetto, you see me? Them have 3 little column. Huh? What? How are this? Are you for that?
Yeah. Him? Yeah. You never know it, brother. Trust me, what I'm saying. You good? You never know it, man.
Yeah, leverage nation, so out here early, man. But, yeah. Boy, and be one already. Bad, man. Early morning thing, breakfast. Do it yourself. Now go on come through, man. Check in and see where I go on, you know? Yeah. I turn in. Yeah, leverage nation, so we're in Santa Cruz town in St. Elizabeth, and you know, say them boy they gonna buy KFC. I'm just telling them for go on, but just say yo. But I get me one thing, yeah, man. I'm just drive and some weird reason. No, I go on. I feel if we just get something different like mothers. Although I not eat my barbecue, I fool now. I get my barbecue from them. I'm not eat the barbecue from KFC. But yeah, man, when they don't care, man, mothers in a drive through, just there going easy. You know, I still can't use 3-8 leverage nation. On the suit, me no man, you know, so on the boy handsome. Though, ladies. Oh my God, leverage. It's all leverage right here, baby. You don't need to go nowhere else, baby. Yo, let me stop. You know leverage, man. I know see how style is. Yeah. Oh, I thought I should have brought this one. Look at that muscle bit. Lord, look at. Oh my God. We'll stop, yo. You the leverage, man. I go around them, man. You see? Mother's many. so I'm gonna sue with my people if I not get the vlog them late. Like right now, I need that thing again. More up this. Am my time now? Hold on, I forgot order. The sticker pin for me that say. Oh, where the hell? Alright, does that work? I don't know what they're on the menu. Where else does it look like it work? Hello? I know that so. Anyway, I still tell them to stick up in Leverage Nation. I wonder if it's too dark. Probably not too dark, yeah? I'm saying to stick up in. So, what would I say? Let's say something about vlogging and all this thing. Yeah. A whole heap of little chat. Not even like no joke trial. Like, even when me I go Freedom Street and I like say, oh, alright. Me have to prepare or whatever, but when I prepare mistakes still I make like it up on the movie, I double check, triple check and things still I miss it and things still end up last, like I try to prevent everything. So apparently the block, you get a block for charge the thing or whatever you want to call it and we can't find it. So nothing could charge. It's just crazy, yo. But I mean, hopefully this video, I don't even know, hopefully if I before or after I want to see the outcome of the video, I try to put it together in other ways. But this is the leverage way, you see me? When I watch my way, like when I show you a little detail and a little, you know? Yeah. Walk in and so. But yeah, man, you know, check in and see where you're going. Because I know where you're going right there, so look like around there, so I have to go. And this, so check in, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, leverage nation, I'm going to the mother's seat. Mother's right there. Mother's. The fun stuff. Appreciate it. Don't watch it. You know what's that? No fried chili. That way my shop, man. No corn. No corn, you see me? Feel something different, dog. I'm probably breakfast. I love it. All the time I go up there. Huh? Right now, mother's on this today. Them chili wings, but they have a vibe. Right now, then give me a barbecue leg. That's what I'm looking at. So, different thing. Then give me like a chili one original. Then give me a mix. Let's give me what you have. Sure. Better lighting on the phone. But we're better. And I found the ground same way. Big up Port Palace. Big up Port Palace up this way, you see? Yeah. There, man.